In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post photos on Google Business Profile. If you want to add photos to your business listing on Google, especially interior photos, the process is very simple once you know where to look. The most important first step is making sure you are signed into the Google account that actually manages your verified Google Business Profile. If you're logged into the wrong account, you may not see the editing options, so it's always a good idea to confirm that before moving forward. Once you're signed in, go to Google Search and type in your business name directly. This will bring up your business panel where you can manage your profile right from the search results. This is one of the fastest ways to access your listing without needing to dig through extra menus. When your business profile panel appears, look for the option that says Add Photo or Photos. The wording can vary slightly depending on what Google is currently showing, but either option will take you to the area where you can upload images to your listing. Click that to continue. Next, if Google gives you photo category options, choose interior. This helps organize your images correctly so customers can better understand what your space looks like before they visit. Categorizing photos properly can make your profile more useful and more appealing, especially for businesses where the environment matters, like restaurants, salons, clinics, studios, or retail locations. After that, upload your photos by either dragging and dropping them into the upload window or selecting them directly from your computer. Then click Upload to finish the process. Make sure the images you're using are clear, bright, and in focus, so they represent your business well. It's also important to use the correct file format, which should be either JPG or PNG. As a quick tip, try to choose photos that feel accurate and welcoming. Good lighting and clean composition can make a big difference in how professional your business appears on Google. Even though the upload itself only takes a moment, the quality of the photo can influence whether potential customers decide to learn more about your business or visit in person. And that's it. Once the upload is complete, your photos will be submitted to your Google Business Profile. If you found this helpful, you can repeat the same process anytime you want to add more images and keep your profile fresh and up to date.